Okay, so for the Crest deal, these are currently on sale for $2.99. There's actually a $5.97 digital coupon off of 3. So you guys would end up paying $3 for this, but then you'll get a $3 register reward, making them absolutely for free. Okay, so the next deal you guys can do is the Crest toothpaste is on sale for $2.99. There is a lot of digital coupons that you guys could do. I actually have a 7 off of 3, I have a 5 off of 3. So you guys want to use those. I didn't clip my other 5 off of 2, and I did not clip my $1 off of that, but you guys can do that if you want to do that. But I used the 7 and the 5 off of 3, so then what I am going to do is you guys would end up paying $5.94, but then you'll get 4,000 points times 2, making it a $2.06 moneymaker for 6 tubes of toothpaste. So the Suavitel and the Palmolive dish soap is on sale for $1.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $3.98. But then you guys will get 2,000 points. They basically come out to be just 99 cents a piece. That is an all month deal. So if you guys need to do this deal, you can have all month to do it. So awesome deal. We have the Dial body wash. They are currently on sale for 2 for $7. There is a digital coupon for $2 off of 2, making them $5 or just $2.50 a piece. Okay, so the Shea Moisture is currently on sale for $11.99. There is a 6 off of 2 digital coupon or a $2 off digital coupon. You guys use the 6 off of 2, you guys would end up getting them both for $11.98, basically $5.99 a piece if you want to do that. Not the greatest deal, but some of you guys are brand loyal. I actually really do like this stuff, so it depends on what you guys want to get. Okay, so the Kotex liners are currently $7.99. They're buy one get one 50% off. We do have some 5 off of 2 digital coupons. I actually have 2 of them. If you guys needed to do this deal, it ends up coming $6.98 for 2 of them. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need some stuff, go ahead and do it. So the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent is $6.99. It is currently buy 1, you get 2 free. So you guys will get each one for $2.33. I did look online, there was no printable coupons. But if you guys are brand loyal, it's definitely a pretty decent deal. So if you guys currently need some frozen food, they have a lot of food for 4 for $10. That comes out to be just $2.50 a piece. They also have some meals 2 for $6. But I think the 4 for $10, especially for like corn dogs, those are a pretty decent deal. So the Mitchum deodorant is on sale for $2.99. There's currently a $1 off of 1 digital coupon. It only applies to 1, so you guys would end up paying $10.96. This is a deal where you cannot pay with points, but you guys would end up getting a 4,000 points for spending 10. Comes out to be just $6.96 or $1.74 a piece if you guys need Mitchum. Okay, so you guys, we have these Gillette C or King C Gillette razors. You can get the regular razor for $9.99. There is a $3 off coupon. There's also a $4 off digital one for this one, but you need this razor for this to connect, so this is what I'm getting for this one. And then they have the beard and face wash for $12.99, and there's currently a $4 off digital coupon. So you guys would end up paying $15.98, but then you get 10,000 points when you spend 20. Comes out to be just $5.98 if you need to do that deal.